What you're looking at may seem small, simple, and even outdated by US standards. But for over 3 decades, this van moved an entire nation. Omni, one of the most influential and widely used vehicles in India's history. A very different design philosophy. The Omni was introduced in 1984 with one clear goal: affordability and practicality. While American vans focus on comfort, power, and safety, the Omni was built for crowded cities, narrow roads, and everyday utility. Small size, low cost, and easy maintenance mattered more than style or speed. Engine and performance explained. The engine sits under the front seats, a 0.8-liter, 3-cylinder gasoline engine producing around 35 horsepower. That's extremely low compared to US vehicles, but performance was never the point. The Omni was designed for short city drives, heavy traffic, and low fuel consumption. It was simple, reliable, and easy to repair almost anywhere. Interior space and practical use. Despite its compact exterior, the Omni offered impressive interior space. It came in multiple configurations: passenger van, cargo van, school transport, ambulance, small business delivery vehicle. It could seat up to 8 people or be stripped down for hauling goods. No luxury features, just function. Why it became so popular? The Omni succeeded because it fit the reality of everyday life. It was affordable for middle-class families, cheap to operate, and easy to fix. Parts were widely available, and mechanics across the country knew how to work on it. For many families, the Omni was their first motor vehicle. Safety and limitations. By modern standards, the Omni was extremely basic. It lacked airbags, ABS brakes, and modern crash protection. As safety regulations became stricter, the Omni could no longer keep up. In 2019, after a 35-year production run, it was officially discontinued. How Americans might see it. From a US perspective, the Omni feels underpowered, unsafe, and outdated. But in India, it played a role, similar to early mass-market vehicles in America. Simple transportation? That made mobility possible for millions. Final thoughts. The Maruti Suzuki Omni wasn't about innovation or luxury. It was about accessibility. It may not look impressive today, but its impact is undeniable. Sometimes the most important vehicles aren't the biggest or the fastest. They're the ones that quietly serve an entire country